Will you still need me? Will you still feed me when I'm 64? Every summer we could rent a cottage on the Isle of Wight if it's not too dear. We shall scrimp and save.
We've been in contact with Kate from Inside Out, and she was basically able to source us, you know, both a musician and an artist to come and run these sessions. So yeah, we've got Stacey, she's setting up in the room across from us now, and she's basically been coming every other week to play both harp, piano, and I think she might have brought the accordion today.
The way you wear your hat, the way you sip your tea. You're sipping tea right now, Margaret. The memory of all that. No, no, they can't take that away from me.
So the first or second time I came, they were all requests that I played. And then the third or fourth time, a lovely resident called Jo sat by my side, sang for an hour, all Edith Piaf songs in Spanish. We even did the South African national anthem. It was so diverse.
I just really love their willingness, actually, their willingness to try and explore new things, and the more I get to know them, the more they come up with suggestions, and then I go off and have a go and try and find something that fits what they've asked for. So next month they've asked for peg dolls.
Last week was amazing because David, who's quite quiet and quite into himself and bent over, we basically did an Elvis tribute act, and he sprung to life and sang Hound Dog and other Elvis hits.
Father Mackenzie, writing the words of a sermon no one will hear. No one comes near, look at him working, darning his socks in the night when there's nobody there.
If family suggests things, I usually say no, I don't want to do it, whereas in this environment with people coming in and the encouragement, it's different to having your family, whereas something I would say at home, no, I'm not doing that, I can't do it anymore. There's the encouragement and the positivity of other people, and that is, you know, unbelievable. I can't put it into words, really.
You can see a massive improvement during the sessions, but even after, you know, the engagement with patients, the information that we're able to get from them, communication. It's just nice to see them forget about all their worries and fixate on something and properly focus and concentrate. And yeah, they just love it. They love it, yeah.
To be honest, like I said, we've been coming a year last November. We've made friends here that we wouldn't have made before, yeah. Because I think the only people who really understand the situation are your fellow people who are in the same circumstances, yeah.
I get by with a little help from my friends. Oh, I get high with a little help from my friends. Oh, I'm gonna try with a little help from my friends. Help from my friends. What do I do when my love is away? What do I do when my love is away? Does it worry you to be alone? How do you feel at the end of the day? Are you sad because you're on your own? No, I get by with a little help from my friends. Oh, I get high with a little help from my friends.
Get it on the wall, yeah. We've already done previous stuff. We done a fish, didn't we, and had it laminated, and that's on the fridge. That's on the fridge now, yeah.
It's like it's gone like that, off the charts today. Today I met a resident that I've never met before called Margaret. She was obviously a music reader, and she came and picked up my books, chose the music, read the music, told me what to do, and I've been to heaven and back, basically. You drive up in your little car, you get your instrument out, the harp or the piano or the accordion or whatever, and you set up in a room of magic people who you go and meet, and then you're basically letting them plug into you to plug into your joy. Feel quite emotional now. And that's what we're supposed to do. And that's what I get every week when I come here.
Oh, Margaret, I get by with a little help